Assalamualaikum dear viewers. This customer has said it cannot wash but can dry, but it's auto LG washing machine, but it's, customer says it's not washing, cannot wash because I have checked its problem is full stop. See, it's auto, it's has been free. So in this situation we have to change the pulsator, remove it. Then there is a screw to open this screw, then it will, yeah, this is the pulsator, new. This is the new pulsator, this is the old one. See, problem is there is gear like teeth, so it has been loose, that's why it's moving very free. So see, this is new, yeah, new one. Let's try to fix it. You have to fix this screw. This name pulsator. And we have to tighten it very well. See, it has been very tight. Yeah, I cannot. So it has been very tight. Yeah. So like this, we can change pulsator. If not washing, if you see its pulsator is very loose, then we can do like this. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.